Let's go. Let's go.
Stop filled.
Took me out. Boy, that was quick. $200 real quick. 200 real quick. You heard me? We'll take it. Man, that was a quick 200, huh? That was quick, yeah. Whew. Well, we'll take it. We will take it, huh? Let's see what this next one gonna do. What this gonna do? That's this gonna do. Okay, okay. What this gonna do? Is this a wifey? Is this a wifey? Might be a wifey. Let's see if we can get to that point of control. Might be, might not be. Let's see. Okay. Okay. What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is. Joshua J Trades. Wow. What's shouting with it, huh? You already know. Man. Filming kind of late. Technical difficulties. It's all good. We got one trade win in the bag. 12 straight wins since my last loss last month. Let's see. Trend up, trend break, retest new highs. I think it ain't done going up. I don't think it's done going up. That's my move. I'm going to hit it again, y'all. I'm going to hit it again. I don't think it's done. It's giving me an indication right now. I don't think it's done. That's my wifey, huh?
Order filled.
That's it right there. I'm hitting it again. I don't think it's done. It's not done. It's not done. Come on, push. Close on your high. Close on your high. Push. 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 There we go. Push. Okay. What we got? See if we can get to that point of control. Can we do it? 175. We got him. Got him. Got him. Good job. Hold on. Look like it's trying to pass.
Stop
It
filled.
got me out. Almost. Almost passed it, man. Almost passed it. We almost passed, man. We almost passed it. Ooh, point of control, just like I said. Point of control, just like I said. Nah, this is what I'm about to do. We about to hit it coming back to the 21. Point of control right there. Let's hit it going back to the 21. Let's see, can we do that? Let's see, can we get some pressure? Let's see, can we build up some pressure to come back down? We're at that point of control. Why not? Okay, we broke this. Delete that. Why not? Right here, point of control. And, man, we got to be careful, though. We got a lot of volume. 576 ticks. We right on that. Look how perfect it is. Look how perfect it stopped on that point of control. Let's see where we at. Right there. In the room right there. I wanted to come back and retest this 21. I want to catch it. But it wants to push up some more. Look like I'm looking at this. Okay, let's pay attention. We got a little leverage today. We made $411 today. So I'm going to risk the 200. I'm going to take this.
Order filled.
I'm going to sell it. I think it's going down. Too far from the 21. I think it go down some more. I think it go down some more. Ooh, man. Wow. Ooh. It's hesitating. Ooh. It just broke the point of control. I think I'm out 200. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's all good. We know the risk. We knew the risk. Man, go down. Go down, Wolf. Go down, Woody. Yes, go. Okay, we're going down. Let's see what we got. We're going down. We're going down. Push. Yee. Ski. That thing popping up. It's popping up, chat. It's popping up, chat. Woo. It's popping up, chat. I thought we was there. That thing made a lower high. Wee. That thing made a lower high, bro. It said it ain't done. It said, I said it ain't done. Wow. Wow. Woo, it's pushing up. It's pushing up. It's pushing up, chat. Hey, I make my 200 today. I ain't tripping. But I wanted to go ahead and knock this out. See if I can knock it out today. Go ahead and pass this account. Okay, we almost there. We was there. That was it.
Order filled.
That's it, y'all. We have passed the Lucid account. Good job. Good job. 12 straight winning days in a row following the rules. We had 2 days where we kind of just dropped the ball, you know what I'm saying? We kind of use our old school expertise of 6 years of trading to get past them losses. But all in all, man, we reset over the weekend, and we understand what we up against and what we had to deal with. So yeah, you know, we here. We passed it. Congratulations, Josh. Thank y'all to my subscribers. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, man. Watch my journey. Man, you know I'm gonna have to reset again tomorrow. So I'll probably take the break tomorrow and then come back. Either I come back Thursday night, you know, probably so because I'm off Thursday. So yeah, I'll probably do that. Take the day off tomorrow from trading and just decompress from a month and some change passing this account, you know. So yeah, so segment lessons, never losses, right? Lessons, never losses.
AUX mode.
Lessons, never losses. So why did I take this trade, right? Besides having all these technical difficulties, my internet or whatever. But I got, first and foremost, we're going to go through the basics, right? What's the trend? So we see we've been going up for a minute since this morning, right? Pretty much right after the open, we did a change of character. We started going to the upside from like 9 something in the morning all the way to 1:48 power hour, right before power hour at 2 p.m. Central Time. So we in an uptrend, right? And then we break that trend right here. You notice we break the trend. Automatically, with the system that I trade, I'm automatically telling myself, okay, this is a trend up. All this is market cycle. Market cycle does this all the time. That's all it is market cycle. Trend up, trend break. So automatically, when I sit at my computer and see that it already started going up, I'm already knowing this thing is a possibility that it can go up, at least to this key entry point. Market cycle does the same thing, whether it's this long one, these long candlesticks together long ways, or it could be a short ways. If you look at the history, you know, it could be short. It could be something like this: trend down, trend break, retest new lows. You know what I'm saying? So it's the market does the same thing every time. Trend down, long trend down, a little break, a little trend break, and sometimes it moves in twos. 1 break, 2 breaks. Market cycle's continuation to create new lows. Trend up, trend break, take a break, retest new highs. So we are owed another leg the same length as this, or similar or close to it. If we could break this key entry point, probably in the morning time, you'll see price be above the key entry point, and it could come to this area or somewhere or another like that. So that's why I decided that's my first reason why I took the trade. Okay. Second reason why I took the trade is because we got to remember this is the new day key entry point, but we always go off of yesterday's. So yesterday's is already up. I also took the trade up because of this mess this debacle of a mess that I didn't want to get in. That's why I said following my rules from here on out. I need to come home off of work and trade at 3 a.m. instead of 2 a.m. I need to reset my nervous system, do everything that I need to do. My bad. Everything that I need to do with myself, prayer, meditation to the Most High Yah, get in the sauna, do what I got to do so I can reset myself and I can sit at the computer and notice. I'm glad I didn't come at 2 a.m. because 2 a.m. started right here. And look at this. You would have got chopped up. Yeah, look at this. Terrible. By the time I sit down at 3 o'clock, look what I notice. Big engulfing candles. Price getting ready to move. Also, the new volume right here letting me know, okay, the nodes, these are called nodes. They letting me know, okay, price getting ready to break out. And I want to catch it. So what I do? Also, point of control is up here. So that gives me a take profit, a mental take profit. So can I get my system? I need to get 2 points. That's 8 ticks to make $200 on the day. From if I enter when it break, if it break this little baby zone, I needed to retest, which it did right here. So I entered. I wind up entering. After this candle retested the 21 and this area, you see this area that all these candles stopped at, plus it stopped on the 21 and it engulfed and passed up these other candles. I'm entering right here. I'm about to get this money. Boom. That's my first 200. But then what we learn in mentorship is if you get a lower high and an indication candle right next to it, that's called a wifey trade. JD does that because he said at one point in time, his wife, that's all she traded. So anyways, he named it after her, which is cool. We still got distance till we get that TP, that point of control. It's like a magnet. As you can see, smack right on it. So what I do, I'm already up for the day. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to risk my 200. What's the worst that can happen? I can hit break even, close the computer, go to sleep. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to take the risk. I get in the wifey. Once it breaks this area, automatic TP, we pass the account. Following the rules, going through my rules right here. Making sure I decompress my nervous system before I get on the computer. Following my rules. Shout out to y'all for watching me today. It's a quick video, but good rundown, good lessons, never losses. Never forget that anybody could do this. If you can face yourself in the mirror, you could do this, because trading will change you. It will show you who you really are. So, shout out, man. We made it happen. We had some technical difficulties, but we came through with it, and now we here. So, great analysis tonight. Like I say, great following the rules. Real simple. 2 trades, just like last night. Ball game over with. We take a break tomorrow, come back Thursday, hit it again. That's it. Come back to work. So shout out to y'all, man. It's going to be a quick video. Again, make sure you subscribe. If you're serious about your trading, like I am, and you just want somebody you want to watch, somebody you can chat with, somebody you can, you know what I'm saying? You can put your questions or whatever down in the comments. You can hit me up, like people message me as well. So however you want to rock it, you know what I'm saying? Just, I'm here for you. Okay. And, thank y'all for watching my journey. It's Joshua J Trade. You already know what's happening, what it is. Wow. I'm out.